my beautiful viewers, it's another episode of Smoothie Saturday and you're all welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make watermelon smoothie with cucumber. As we all know, watermelon is one of the most consumed fruits because of its high water content. It also helps to improve heart health and also it contains vitamin C. So before I start, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button below to get subscribed to my channel and also on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. To make this smoothie, I will be using cucumber, honey, lemon, and watermelon. I will start by peeling off the back of the cucumber and watermelon and then cut them into small pieces. When I'm done cutting them, I will squeeze out the juice from the lemon, then add the cucumber and the watermelon into the blender, add 2 teaspoons of honey and also the lemon juice, then blend everything together for 20 seconds. So guys, just keep watching to learn how to make this healthy and nutritious smoothie. For those of you that want to lose weight and burn belly fat, this smoothie is for you. At this point, the smoothie is ready. Can you see how yummy it looks? So thank you for watching, and please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all.